Yeah, that's an expensive way to, I mean, if we had to, right? It's just, oh, yeah, I try to do that with mine. I, no, I haven't asked any more about it. Figure when we get closer. Yeah, I agree with you. It would, and buildings come and go, right? It's like, if we land that place, we land it, but yeah. I know, right? That's what I'm in the back of my mind too. I'm like, ooh, everybody's, I know, everybody's kind of, well, that's, I mean, you guys have a lot more overhead, but jeez, that's crazy. Yeah. Mm, yeah, probably not. And it probably depends on each individual sale and like what, like personal taxes, or which ones are you talking about? Well, the federal, as far as I understand it, you don't have. You have. Depends on how their business is set up. I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know, but I don't think that's generally very high because Oregon doesn't have sales tax. Um, no, you're fine. Business, dude. What about the finance companies? Well, yeah, they want to know it's not fraudulent. And definitely. They just want to know that you're going to pay. It's just going to depend on how the market's going and if they want to. Yep. If that depends on. Nah, I'm not too worried about them. Well, they'll come on board once we're moving stuff, but then we have. Yeah. Yeah. Kind of sounds like your timing's pretty good. Sounds like she's kind of a little. Yeah. Oof. Yeah. Get overextended. Yeah. Uh, yeah. It just depends. Sounds like how. Wow. She's gonna bet the farm, isn't she? Gotta hand it to her. Wow. Yeah, because the website is starting to. It's getting a little traffic actually. Yeah, it's I'm surprised honestly. It's just a little hokey. I'll have to look at it, and I don't even know if they're local, but it's getting some hits. Yeah. Yeah, the leads can't be ignored from there, and the influence of social media. Really? Is managing it, but she's not even doing it. Uh, Sounds like she has a lot on her plate. Yeah, that's typical business owner, right? It's like, well, you think. And two, right? You think, well, one location is good, then two is going to be twice as good. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, they've done all right so far, but I don't know, right? I don't know much about that business. Right? Yeah. Well, I wouldn't hire anybody. I'd just close it up. Well, I don't know. You could keep it, or we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Me? Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
never seen this. This was $9.85 shipped. It's a board game. There is some free tape. I've never seen that before. But they made maybe $1.
Really? Yeah, I think they're gonna, it's like anything, they're gonna see if you're. Yeah, I think, and it just depends on what the market's doing too, man. It's like, oof. Yeah, right. Everybody's a little nervous. Yeah, and they're the ones that voted for him. Yeah. I know, right? Well, it's not how it works.